Hey everybody, I got here is a Fire TV Max Amazon, and it's connected to my Denon receiver here, and it's switching down to 1080p. Now the problem is not the Fire Stick nor the AVR. It's my Vizio itself, the setting on the Vizio. So if you're having problems with your Fire TV switching down to from 4K to 1080p, this is the solution. Alright, let me show you. Alright, so here's one of my videos from it's uploaded on YouTube, and you see here's the remote for the TV itself. I'll put it on info, and as you can see on top here it says 1080p. Let me press info again, and you see 1080p Dolby Vision, and it should supposed to be 4K, running at 4K, but right now it's only running at 1080p, as you can see. So what you're gonna do, in order for your Fire TV Max 4K to play at 4K, not switching down to 1080p, you go to menu on your remote, go to input settings, and apparently this thing is running into HDMI 1, so it depends on which HDMI port you plug it in. You go there. So since this is HDMI 1, I put a HDMI 1 input name, and you go to below it, it says right there, full UHD color currently off, so you put it on. Yeah, it's changed to color on now. Now it says full UHD color is on. Now you can see info. What am I zooming? There, see, it's now 1020 info again, 2160p. So that's it. That's how you do it. So all you need to do is go to menu, input settings, where you put your device, and go here. So let me turn this off. Now it says the TV restarting to full UHD off, and look here. Now it's back to 1080p. Alright, so let me put that back. So menu again, input settings, wherever your max is, whatever port it is, on, and restart the color restart TV. It looked like you lost the connection there. Alright, so just to recap, it's in 1080p right now. Go to menu, input settings, whatever HDMI port you're using, click it, put it on, and you'll get it's returning to full HD on now. And you should be getting your full 4K. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.